In the name of Allah, the most merciful and beneficent, I am Taskeen Fatima from GC University, Faisalabad. First of all, I would like to thank ICAZ-2022 for providing me the opportunity to present my work entitled Comparative Effect of Azadirachta indica and 17-alpha-methyl testosterone on the Reproductive Performance and Gonadal History in Orychromis niloticus. Aquaculture is the fastest growing food producing sector in the world, contributing 1/3 of the global food fish production. As you know, fish farming is important due to the growing demand of the fish by the large population. And for this purpose, 13,000 fish farms have so far been established across the Pakistan. Consumption of the fish production in Pakistan, 50% of the fish is consumed locally, 22% is exported, and 28% is converted into the fish meal. Why we choose the Orychromis niloticus? Because they are easy to grow, fastest growth rate, resistant to disease, tolerate the variety of environmental conditions, efficient utilization of plant diet, high tolerance to poor water quality, and high market value. Why we masculinize the Orychromis niloticus? Early maturation and frequent spawning damage the profit of aquaculture. Metabolic energy in males is directed towards growth and masculinization. Males grow 20% faster than females. For the material and methods, fry were collected from Faisalabad and acclimatized for 2 to 3 days. And for the stocking, 250 fry in 5 aquarium, each with 1 replica. The duration of treatment phase was of 30 days, and in this 1 control and 4 treatment diets were provided. The natural source and synthetic source were used for the treatment diets. The natural source was neem leaf powder. Why we choose the neem leaf powder? Because they are affordable, safe for humans, eco-friendly. Phytochemicals including saponins and flavonoids act as fertility impairment, and the hormone-based diet because they have both androgenic and anabolic effect. Simple, easy, and highly effective. The duration of rearing phase was of 3 to 4 months, and in this all water quality parameters was monitored, and the dissolved oxygen was maintained through the capillary system. There are the different techniques for the masculinization of tilapia, but the oral administration and immersion methods were commonly used. Here we use the oral administration method, 17-alpha-methyl testosterone and neem leaf powder provided in the diet. For the feed preparation, basic feed ingredients were added with the hormone and the neem leaf powder, and the concentration of hormone was 60 mg per kg and 70 mg per kg, and the neem leaf powder concentration was 2 g per kg and 3 g per kg. All the ingredients were mixed and pellets were prepared and dried and stored in the airtight container. For the analytical analysis, dry matter was dried by oven drying, and ash analysis by lactic furnace, crude fat by sock test system, and crude protein by microgel done analysis, and moisture percentage was measured by the following formula, and the gonadosomatic and the hepatosomatic index was measured by using the following formula. For the growth studies, the increase in weight was seen maximum at the end of experiment in the control group at the 6th fortnight, and the minimum in the NLM3 group. For the length, the maximum length was seen in MT70 group and the minimum in NLM2 group. The specific growth rate was maximum in control group and minimum in NLM2 and LM3 group. And for the protein efficiency ratio, the results showed the non-significant variations. The results of the approximate chemical composition of body meat revealed that the plant treatment diet have impact on the body meat of the fish. Ash and moisture percentage were maximum in the neem leaves, having 3 g per kg in the diet, and the dry matter amount was maximum in the control group, and the maximum crude protein and maximum fat was in NLM3 group. Hepatosomatic index was maximum in control group and minimum in NLM3 group, and the gonadosomatic index was maximum in the MT70 group and minimum in NLM3 group. The highest percentage of males was observed in MT70 group at the end of the experiment and minimum in the NLM3 group. For the gonadal studies, the results showed that the percentage of male was maximum in the treatment having the high concentration of the 17-alpha-methyl testosterone at the dose of 70 mg per kg in the diet, while 60 mg per kg of the hormone in the diet showed the 75% of the males. The percentage of male was 30% in the treatment NLM3 group and 20% in the treatment having the 3 gram per kg of the neem leaves in the diet. The percentage of the sterile was 40% in the 2 gram per kg of the neem leaves powder diet and 50% in NLM3 group. The results of this study exhibited by increasing the concentration of neem leaves powder in the fish diet increased the percentage of sterile tilapia as compared to the other groups. Here is the testis histology of the male Oreochromis niloticus, and the second picture is the ovary histology of the female Oreochromis niloticus. The steroid hormone methyl testosterone acts as an anabolic hormone which has crucial role in accelerating the growth of tilapia. Sylvia et al. 2022 also conducted the same results. The percentage of male was maximum in the treatment having the high dose of the hormone. Singh et al. Also conducted the same experiment in the swordtail fish in which the 17-alpha-methyl testosterone was used. The results are in favor of our findings that the increase of hormone concentration increase the ratio of the male. Compared to all other treatments, addition of neem leaves in the diet have no effect on the sex reversal, and Mehrim et al. 2019 also concluded the same results. Kapinga et al. Also concluded the same results that by increasing the dietary neem effect, the gonads and the neem affect the gonads and cause the alteration in ovary and testis. The study demonstrated that supplementation of synthetic hormones in the diet of the fish played crucial role for masculinization. The hormones also improved the growth rate of tilapia. In spite of its importance in tilapia culture for producing all male tilapia and accelerating the growth, it is criticized for its harmful effect on the environment, on the consumers, and on the non-targeted fishes. However, the supplementation of diet with the natural source caused the sterility in the Nile tilapia. For obtaining the profitable tilapia, the control of prolific breeding is very important, and neem leaves powder administered to the fish diet act as the anti-fertility agent. Further studies are needed for the real estimation of neem leaves and the other natural sources such as moringa, papaya, and aloe vera effectiveness for inhibiting the breeding capacity. As for human concern, it is recommended to use other phytochemicals in fish diet due to their easy availability, cost effectiveness, and environment friendly characteristics. Thank you.